Hey, Justin, I hope you're all well. In today's video, we're going to be trying out tinting this side window using the pre-cut tint. This is 50%. It's already, well, by law, it's already illegal, so I'm doing this for demonstration purposes only. It's just to let you see. I'm not really a tinter myself. I've already took off the inside window seal just so there's a lot more room for me to play with. There's bigger gaps so I can slide the film in. I've already cleaned the glass inside and out, so I'm going to heat shrink the film to the shape of the glass first, and I'll install it inside, and we'll see how dark it is for you to see. So that's it all done. It's in person it doesn't look as dark as I thought it'd be, but it's what it's like in video. You can still see inside the car. The back, that's factory standard smoked glass compared to the front. This is 50% film on top of a very slight smoked glass, because I noticed BMWs in the front glass there's a very slight tint of smoke to it, but this is actually what it looks like. During the day you can still actually see inside the car. I just need to clean up the glass, and this is what it looks like from the inside looking out. I'll show you the other glass. There's no tint on the glass at all. Then so round to this side, you see it's a little bit darker, but it's still clear as day. You can still see absolutely fine. This is it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more wrapping and detailing content in the future, please remember in subscribing to the channel and considering liking the video if you enjoyed this content, and leave a comment what do you think, and I hope to see you on the next one.